So I'm heading to the beach, hoping to have some fun. What am I working on today? I don't even know. I'm just gonna try to get up. Just gonna try to ride a wave. Just a ride with anything. I'd be happy. Just excited to get something. Hey, so that was a good surf session. The waves were about what I expected. They maybe a little better. They were kind of fun. Had some nice little shore breaking wedges, some little runners. On previous videos, there's comments that, you know, why am I catching them right on the shore? Why don't I go out deeper? You know, today I tried going out deep, but they're just too mushy out there. There's not much to catch. You wait, you catch a wave, and then it kind of just does nothing. So I opted to go at the shore break and had a good time. So have fun, keep it real.